Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include traction control, four-wheel independent suspension, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.